Email marketing is changing on 2025, and email should be simple, text plain, and as lightweight as possible. We just built the new email composer and email builder on Zootools, and let me show you how this looks like. So the email builder is basically inspired by Google Docs, Notion, Superhuman. The idea of this is that instead of creating highly complex emails that they will land into a spam folder or promotions or updates, now you can actually write an email as if you were texting your friend. So the subject line, of course, it's something where you can customize. So for example, hi there, how is everything going? And you can add variables within the subject line. So you can click here and you can say first name, last name, and you can just like change that around. Then as for the builder, by the way, when someone says email marketing is dead, I'm like, oh, email marketing is not dead. Email marketing is more alive than what you guys think. Anyway, you can type the backlash and you can insert any new images. So for example, I can add the effing 30-day challenge, or I can add any other image. Then let me just rechange. Then here you can add bullet points. So you can either type bullet list, hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Or you can actually start typing, this line, and click enter, and it automatically starts showing this, which is really, I love it. Then you can add buttons, but I strongly recommend you not to do this and start creating emails that actually feels like a human send them. But yeah, you can create a button, change the design, make it look beautiful, changing the color, etc. Hola, click me. Apart from that, there are tons of other really great things. So you can add like headings, which is like H1, H2, and H3. If you type the alt, you can also insert variables as well. So I can do things like hi, first name, but we also have more variables as well. So we have first name, last name, email, and these are like different stuff, right? So the post URL is basically an online page where everybody can see the content of your email. So this is really great to increase virality and word of mouth. So everybody can share the link to your email. Unsubscribe URL, so you can actually add that at the bottom. So like if you don't like our emails, unsubscribe. So you can do that. By the way, let me show you this, that it's magical. When you try to add links, you can actually add variables as well. So you can say this link is going to be the unsubscribe URL, or you can add other variables too. I love it. I love it. Apart from that, of course, you have all kinds of shortcuts. So for example, let me actually copy. They really suck. I mean, I respect them, but 20 years of company, they no longer give a shit about small and medium-sized businesses. So you can do bold, underscore. I'm just like using my shortcuts in my Mac. Of course, you can also select and do these things, which is fun. You can change the color, highlight text. But as you can tell, everything is super lightweight, right? And then you can like rearrange if you want, but the idea of this is super text plain emails, and that's it, right? And then you can of course click preview and see how the email could look like across different browsers, mobile, etc. So yeah, super excited. We truly built this from the ground up, and it's amazing. So give it a try. Let me know what you think, and if you have any feedback, I'm all ears. Go to zootools.ai if you want the easiest to use email marketing tool that prints money for you. That's Zootools. So see you there.